guys, my name is Omri. I'm going to show you how to make by yourself a line separator for your kite. So basically it's something like this, which your lines of your bar are going through the holes that we drill in it, and you can use it later on for easy launch. So this is the line separator. Basically I got this from, you can get it from many stores. It's a bag sealer clip. Mine I got from IKEA. So what we do is we take a marker and first we mark the right side. So we know that when we use it, we set up the lines, we put it this way to the right side and not the opposite or flipped. It should be like this always when we launch and when we land the kite. And we use the marker to make the dots where we want to drill. Then I made this setup in advance, so I can touch it easily for the next drilling step. Okay, so now we are going to drill the holes. I'm using a 5mm drill bit. I'm using a wood drill bit with this tip here, so the driller will not move on the plastic. So we're placing it on the hole, and we start drill. Now that we finish, we take it out, we open it, and now what we need to do is we need to clean it. So we take a knife and we start by removing the edges of the plastic. So we don't want the lines to get cut by the sharp edges. So make sure you make it nice and round. So you continue like this on all of them, through all of them, until you get the nice results like this. Good luck. Hey guys, we are here in the sunny beach of Israel. I'm gonna show you how to use the line separator. As you can see, it's already rolled up on the bar, but we're going to assemble now the kite. Okay, so as you can see, we have the right side to the right, we have all the lines separated, so we're lining, taking it backwards. And now we separate the lines. As you can see, lines there, lines there. Now we're taking it off and reassembling it here. And this stays with us for later. And we take the bar. That's it. Now, you need to remember color is on the left side.
So fine, gotta make you mine. So hard to find. They be like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it, and she ain't even show nothing. She be walking around so confident.
Take the line separator. You have the line. Take the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right.
Miss Baby, girl, you knock 'em dead.
Another one in the bar. Finishing it. That's it.
She was never lying, strutting in the.
If you are approaching the kite from this side, you need to put the line separator like this, and the right side is going there. But if you approach the kite from the other side, you need to put the line separator flipped like this. Not like this, like this. That's it.